got it to a mid 64.
Okay.
With initial testing.
Yeah.
We done some stuff, and we haven't tested yet.
Okay.
And of course, I have Michael Myers in there. That's like one of my guys.
Okay.
So.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. It smells like it. You just got it hot.
Yeah.
You got it hot?
Yeah. That's all right. That's all right. We got
Did you build this? This is nice,
yes.
man.
Me and my buddy Daniel right there. We
Wow.
built it.
Okay. I know you're cooling off. Can you give me some info real quick for the video? So what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Tim Owens. We have 6 Sundown U15s on 6 Death Box 7900s.
Okay.
All at one on.
Yeah.
We have 160 amp hours of heat ons. Okay. Good alternator charging. It does well.
So you just smoked your subs from 2 demos already. You're putting some power out.
I've been demoing for a while.
You have? Oh, okay, okay. So you're having sub issues, or is it just too much power, or is it hot?
I mean, we just been on it.
Dude, you've done great. I appreciate it. And what's your like your tuning on this? Your SPL scoring off?
We got it to a mid 64.
Okay.
With initial testing.
Yeah.
We done some stuff, and we haven't tested yet.
Okay.
I love it.
Yeah.
It's the kind of frequencies that I like to play around
Yes, sir.
with.
What frequency range?
44 to about 61. It does fantastic. It plays a little bit lower, but
Yeah.
I just never took it to that point.
Yeah.
Nice. And of course, I have Michael Myers in there. That's like one of my guys. So.
Okay. Hey, thanks for showing me. What was your name, man?
Tim Owens.
Tim.
Yes,
Doing
sir.
YouTube Jacob Vile. Be sure to give him a like.
I got you, bro.
Yeah, man. Hey, crazy door flex outside, man. What you think about that?
I think we killed the sub. I think we killed the Danny. I think we killed the sub.
It smells like it.
Yeah. Yeah, we killed the sub.
Don't blow nothing. What's up, Tom?
think we killed the sub. I think we killed the Danny. I think we killed the sub.
It smells like it.
Yeah. Yeah, we killed the sub.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.